back to my channel and welcome back. Hey fellows, welcome back, and today I'm going to talk about this lovely tree behind me. I wonder who that is. Let's go find out. Oh my gosh! It's a Brandless box. You guys seeing this? Let's go inside and open it. I'll see you inside. So, here it is, my Brandless box. Let's open it and see what's all the healthy and delicious stuff in there. So yeah guys, my mom got me into this stuff since she's all healthy and stuff. But yeah, you should go to their website. It's brandless.com, and my favorite foods are like popcorn and beef jerky. They have all that stuff and it's for like $3. So if you get allowance, you could buy it and still have probably still have money left over. So yeah, let's get to opening the box. It's hot cocoa mix and it's caramel flavored and it's organic. It's fair trade cocoa. It's gluten free and it's brandless. Like, those are 4 good benefits. Ooh. Okay, next one. This is like for my mom, and me, cause I don't really drink coffee that much. Only if it's Starbucks. So they got some ground coffee, light roast. It is organic, fair trade, farmed in Colombia, and it's a breakfast blend. And again, brandless. These are just so good benefits. And then, so we got my favorite. We got some beef jerky, sweet and spicy. Organic. It's organic, gluten-free, made from 100% grass-fed beef, hickory smoked, and again, brandless. Those are like 5 good reasons. Those are 5 good reasons you need this. Yeah. Just some more beef jerky because I love beef jerky, and I can pack it in my lunch. So if you guys want a new healthy snack for lunch, bring this. It tastes like regular bacon. I mean, regular beef jerky. And Brandless even has healthy moisturizing conditioner and moisturizing shampoo for me and my mom because we love to wash our hair. So, and then it's paraben-free, antioxidant rosemary extract, and the moisturizing shampoo. No sulfates, no phthalates, and no animal testing. And this is paraben-free, phthalate-free, no animal testing, and it's of course is brandless. That's another 5 good reasons and 4 good reasons. It's green tea and aloe scented. So we got some extra careful wrapping. If you thought Brandless was just about food and beauty, you very wrong. Because they also sell bowls.
Are you sure about that?
You heard me. Bowls and mugs. This is a cereal bowl, and it is distributed by Brandless, of course. Everything's brand, and it even has the Brandless logo on it. You can't really see it because it's in bubble wrap, but yeah, it has a Brandless logo. Usually, you will get this for like $80 on Amazon, but I got this for $30. That's cheap, cheap. So yeah, well, tell me in the comments what kind of hot cocoa mix is your favorite. I'm actually a fan of peppermint. And yeah, you should go check out brandless.com to to get all this good stuff. My mom has a code for this Brandless box, so if you want to save money, it's in the link. So make sure you check that description. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget, I'm doing a shout out for whoever hits that notification button and says hashtag I am a fellow. So yeah, that's it guys. See you later.